What are we going to cook today? I chose this refreshing watermelon recipe. I will start making it and guide you to do it. In the first step, cut the avocado flesh into small pieces. Then put the avocado, add a little sugar, and fresh milk into the blender. And puree until we get a smooth butter blend. Cut this succulent watermelon into pieces. Wrap it in filter fabric. And squeeze the juice into a bowl. Put the pot on the stove. Pour in fresh milk, a little sugar, and jelly powder. Stir to dissolve, and bring the mixture to a boil. Then we pour the pureed avocado into a bowl. Pour the softened gelatin and stir well. Next, let's make colored jelly together. Pour coconut milk into a bowl. Add to the mixture of just boiled jelly. And stir until coconut milk and jelly powder dissolve. We do the same for the grated avocado and watermelon juice. Then pour the red watermelon jelly into a mold and do the same with the yellow butter jelly. Pour in the white coconut jelly. And then chuck a layer of green jelly on the outside. Finally, wait for the jelly to freeze. So we have delicious fruit-shaped watermelon jelly. Please enjoy our results. You've got to try this recipe. So delicious. I can't give it up.